So today, I will show you how I harvest my arugula plants here in the Philippines. And this is where I put my arugula plants in a reusable plastic water bottle. This is ready for harvest and I want to make some burritos. So if you want to know more kung paano ko sila ginawa, then keep on watching! This is what I got. It's only quite a few. Ilang leaves lang ito, but okay na yan sa akin for the first container. Kasi minsan nakakaumay din yung taste niya and I don't like to eat a lot. First sa ating mga ingredients guys ay itong ating wraps na nabili ko sa SNR at pinapreheat ko lang siya sa pan. Next is our turkey bacon na nabili ko rin siya sa SNR. Piniprito ko lang siya. And then, I have here also some garlic, longganisa, and then tomatoes. We also have white onions, sliced cabbage, and egg. Lastly, ay ang ating cooked rice. So, ayan, kinukombine ko lang lahat ng ating mga spices, guys, at sinusutay ko sila sa oil, at hinahintay ko sila na mag-wilt yung ating mga spices, and then, sinantabi ko sila, guys, at inilagay ko yung isang egg, so, combine nyo lang siya, until na maluto yung egg. And then, ilagay nyo na rin yung rice at saka yung chopped cabbage. Don't forget also guys to put some black pepper and salt to taste. So, after maluto na ng ating stuffing guys, ating burritos, let it cool for a while. And then, pwede na natin siyang ilagay sa ating pre-cooked na wraps kanina. Dahan-dahan lang until na makuha mo yung gustong amount ng stuffing para sa wraps mo. And then spread out lang siya. Tansya-tansya lang ito guys. And then ayan na siya. Lagay mo yung ating cooked bacon, yung turkey. And then put some arugula leaves. Pwede din kahit anong leaves na gusto nyo. So, ayan. Pwede na natin siyang i-wrap. Pwede din kayong makapili, guys, ng ibang ingredients para sa inyong burritos. And if you want, you can comment down below sa mga suggestions nyo, guys, na ingredients para sa inyong favorite na burritos. Pwede siyang vegetarian. Pwede din may meat. At kayo na rin ang pipili kung anong meat na gusto nyo. So, ito na po ang ating finished product guys. And for the complete ingredients, please check the description box below. Thank you so much for watching!